everyone, this is MD168. Welcome back to my channel. This video is the beauty of San Diego during nighttime. And this is the continuation of my last video when we went to Cabrillo National Park and trying to catch the sunset. But we were on the other end or at the other side. So we made it and look at that, so beautiful. So enjoy the rest of the video and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
You hear the horn?
Yeah.
You know what that is? The military. Every day at sunrise and sunset, the military plays that and they raise the flag and lower the flag. Yes. So all the military men have to stand at attention as they lower the flag right now.
Kiss again. My tiyahin requested it.
But it's probably the sun's probably.
Di action mo kay video na ni.
Yeah. See, they're all changing.
See you the next time we visit you.
Because they're getting the sun still.
Kuno pag-ingon na ya. Atong ko. Sige pa. Kasi down gamay. Gamay sige pa.
We adjust it.
Tigo ya. Sana ya. Kita dito sa kamu dua ka. Gundihan mo dua.
Sige ka mo holding hands lang din.
Holding hands.
You're gonna fall off that curve.
I'm good.
You go there. Put the sun down here.
Sawa kay aron masaw. Isa inyo kamot gamay, isa gamay. Okay, there. Ja i-open. I-aron mo sud ang buwan sa kamot sa ilawom. Sige, isa. Ana, isa.
Right there.
Right there. Right there. Bisag shadow si Ja, okay ra.
Yeah, it's good.
Colorful.
Won't be able to see much.
We're leaving now.
Now we are heading down to the bay. Here we are. Ang ganda talaga ng San Diego din. They have a beautiful weather here. Kaso mahal nga lang din. Pero mostly mag-tour lang naman karamihan ng mga tao dito. So guys, enjoy the rest of the evening and you will see some more beautiful adventures that we had. And just hang in there. is the Midway 41. Yan po ang barko sa during Pearl Harbor. O, diba? Ang laki. Last time me and Mike went inside. Ay nako, kulang ang isang araw. So, but this time lang, ano lang kami, bali mo, drop by lang kami. Just want to see the look, but we're not going inside kasi close na din at gabi na. So we are just gonna go to the other end, yung statuan ng NARS at saka Navy, yung basta the magic kiss. So ayun, magpusing-pusing lang kami doon. We're just driving along the road here in San Diego at night. Ang ganda kasi they have a lot of going on here. So enjoy, guys. There's the statue of the nurse and the Navy guy kissing each other. They don't know each other, guys. Naghalikan lang sila kasi parang free na talaga sa war. O diba? Kasi ang hirap nga na destino yan sila sa giyera. At ayan, ito ang famous ng statue talaga dito sa San Diego. Kaya pag pumunta kayo, puntahan nyo talaga ito. We had a lot of fun taking pictures, of course. Mas maganda pag umaga, pero it's a different look at night din kasi may ilaw din siya. O diba, guys? So ayan, pasensya na po at may panty, wala. Ay, meron puti yata. Anyway, ayan, enjoy lang tayo. Hi, that's the lovers. Hi, Mas Mike. Kaya maghawak na po nila.
Abot niya. Ano ba to? Uy.
Hi. Ayan. Ay, di man ito maigo. Madaggo. Densa.
Densa, dito mga mistisa.
Ay.
Ingon, Jay. Oo. Ang picture, ang kuan.
Gua pa bubuha.
Ano pa, oh? Wala na po. Kasi may nawa na.
Si Jude.
Okay.
So that's it for now, guys. We had a good time here in San Diego, lalo na sa ahong dalawang tiyahin na si Tia Nancy and Tia Renny, and of course kay Jude. So sana ay na-enjoy ninyo talaga ang pagbisita at pag-explore natin dito sa San Diego. Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye!